What's up guys, Saf Ashraf here, back again with another video. You're watching SQTV, SAS Quality Tech Videos. So today I'm going to be showing you how to change what your cursor looks like on your Windows 10 PC. So it's quite simple. All you have to do is go to Control Panel. Then once you've got to Control Panel, just search Mouse. Then once you've gone there, then click the mouse settings, and as you can see, Mouse Properties comes up. Go to Pointers, and as you can see, if you double click on normal select right here, there are loads of options on what you can make your cursor look like. So there's a lot of options. Let's pick this one. So just press open and then press apply, press OK, and as you can see, my cursor has changed to a black cursor. It also has a shadow. If you want to change the shadow, just press change how the mouse pointer looks. Then you can press enable pointer shadow or disable pointer shadow. So I'm gonna enable it, press apply, then OK, and as you can see, the pointer has changed. So I'm just gonna quickly change it back. So go, like I said, go back, double tap normal select, and as you can see, there are loads and loads of options on what to do. So I'm just going to go all the way to the top, back to the normal one, press apply, and there you are. Just press disable pointer shadow, and yeah, that's it guys. That's how to change your pointer on your Windows 10 PC. Like and subscribe if this was helpful to you, and yeah, this is Saf Ashraf and you're watching SQTV.